Hello friends, today I want to talk about a new cool project which many have heard about and also want to show you the proof that the project paid me. The project is called GramFree. Many already earn with this project, but today I want to talk about its pros and cons. The advantage is that you earn without investing any money. You start your earnings by concluding smart contracts. There are also other ways of earning about which you can find out after registrating in the project. A project with a very good reputation. I, like many people whose reviews are posted in the project, are pleased with it, since here you can earn honestly and not lose anything. You don't need to make any deposits. You can start earnings completely from scratch. I also want to note one minus. For me, this is not much of a minus. The project takes money to its users for a very long time. This time may take from 10 to 20 days. There are times when people have been waiting a month, but this is due to the fact that many people have earned the minimum amount and the company doesn't have time to check all the withdrawals of funds. I recommended that in such cases continue to work and wait when funds are credited to your balance. Also during the video I showed you that the project paid me funds. You can trust this project and keep making money.